Today, I'll show you how to make these printable mini packages. This free template is linked in the description below, and the steps for the ready-to-mail packages available on our Etsy shop are identical. To make your mini packages, print the template on 65-pound cardstock and cut out one of the boxes. Then, use the shaded brown areas as guides to cut into the template along all the lines shown. This will help us to create the flaps, which we will later fold and glue to the inside of the box. Next, use the naturally occurring edges as guides to fold the template along all the lines shown. And here's a helpful pro tip. I pinch the paper at the corners first, then fold the paper in the middle to get neat, precise folds. You know, like a pro. Now, after you've folded the template and decided what you're going to eat for dinner tonight, you should now have what vaguely resembles a centipede. Here is its head, and these flaps are its legs. Now, simply apply glue to the head of your centipede and bend it around to make it kiss its own tail. Just be sure to line up the edges and wait for it to dry before proceeding to the next step, which is to apply glue to the bottom flaps, close them, then press them against a flat surface and insert your fingers into the box just like a nosy neighbor might insert themselves into your business. This will ensure a flat bottom. Next comes the fun part. Locate the fun stuff from your fun stuff collection and select one stuff to stuff into your box. My sister loves Sailor Moon, so I decided to go with this Moon Wand keychain. Next, apply glue to the top flaps, fold them over, and press them against a flat surface to ensure a flat top. Now all you have to do is apply the label, go to your sister's apartment, deliver her package, knock on her door unreasonably loudly, and run away. Because it's funny. Before we continue, if you're enjoying the video so far, hit that subscribe button to make sure that you never miss out on any of our future printable craft projects. Next up, I'll show you how to make the ready-to-mail bubble mailers available now on our Etsy shop. First, cut out the template. Then, use the naturally occurring edges as guides to fold the template along all the lines shown. Once you've folded the tabs along the sides, simply fold over the back like so. Now, apply glue to the bottom and side flap and affix them to the back of the mailer. Lastly, to make sure that your mailer looks like it has something of value inside it, locate some tiny pieces of trash, stuff it carelessly into the mailer, and glue down the top flap to seal your mailer and send it out. I love to hear from you all, so feel free to comment below to let me know what things you might like to see in the future, and subscribe today to keep up to date with everything printable.